What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We are here in Cancun, Mexico, and I found the Harley Davidson and right on the strip of Cancun, Mexico. I'm on vacation right now with my wife's family. We decided to come for a little trip here and did a phenomenal place to be. I mean, I've been to Cancun a bunch of times, but we happen to be here in Harley Davidson in Cancun, Mexico. So we're about to go in and check it out, see what they got, maybe buy a t-shirt or something. Let's check it out. Tune in. Okay, we're entering right now the Harley Davidson dealership here in Cancun. They demanded that we actually wear a mask to enter. As you can see, you got to follow the protocols to come in here. So they do have a lot of bikes here. Pretty cool. They got a Row King right there. They got a bunch of helmets there. Check it out. You got pants. I think up to 70% off. Nice bar. Pretty cool. Very nice here. ¿Cuánto cobran para rentarlo aquí, la moto?
De $206 a $245, depende de la moto.
¿Por qué? ¿Por 24 horas?
Día, 24 horas, y con el traje ilimitado, casco y seguros y todo.
Cool. So he said you got about $206 to $240 a day to rent a bike. You could right here through Cancun. Pretty cool. Small store, you know, they got a few bikes. Actually, they have bikes to rent, not to buy. So it's pretty cool. This is your typical Harley Davidson store. You know what I'm saying? So you could actually rent the bikes. Let me go back to the bikes so you can actually see what the bikes are actually going through right here. So el Row King. Alright. So, oh, there's a sign. Look at that. It says rent me. Okay. So you got a Row King right there you could rent for the day. It looks like a Fat Boy. And this looks like a V-Rod, I believe it is. And then you got yourself another old classic Row King as well. Yeah. The motors. I wonder how much the prices are here for some of the stuff. So, all right, guys, there you have it. Just short little video here in Cancun, Mexico, stopping by the Harley Davidson. And like I said, they have no bikes here for purchase. They only have them for rent. You can rent them from $206 all the way to $246 a day for 24 hours, and it covers you for liability and full coverage on yourself. All right. Till next time, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about this Harley here in Cancun. Rental, baby. Let's go. So here's a crazy fact that I just got from one of the stores here. They said that this mall here is super empty due to the COVID situation. The COVID still here is still not at 100%. A lot of the stores here have closed their business and never came back. So in this mall, you'll see a few, very few. See all those stores right there? These were all filled with stores. All of them, and now they're all closed up. Crazy. In Cancun, it's still not 100%, not even 50%. You still have to wear your mask here. You still have to you have to still do, you know, everything's still closed. So, but it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Look, there is a Ruth Steakhouse. I mean, those are the big companies that are still there, but look at this. Empty. COVID. It's tough here in Cancun. Still gotta wear your mask. That's why when you leave here, you have to take a COVID test to head back home, wherever you came from. We're arriving at the hotel here. This is where I'm at for the whole week. Great place. Highly recommend Hotel Rio Palace, baby. Las Americas. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at this, people. Spectacular view. Look at the pool area. Very nice.
How can you tell? I'm saying you guys are not.